In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Amazon wishlist public or private using the Amazon website. This is a helpful skill to have, whether you're planning to make your gift ideas available to others or keep them just for your own reference. So let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First things first, you'll want to sign in to Amazon.com using your preferred internet browser. If you're anything like me, you probably already have your credentials at the ready. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Accounts and Lists. Hover your mouse over Accounts and Lists, and you'll notice a selection of options appear. Click on Your Lists, or you might see it labeled simply as Wish List. This is the section where all your lists are neatly organized and ready for you to customize as you see fit. Now you need to identify which list you're interested in adjusting. Once you've located it, click on List Settings or Manage List. Both options will take you to the same place. Here is where the actual magic happens. You'll find several settings to tinker with, but right now, our focus is on the privacy setting. This feature allows you to decide who gets to view your carefully curated list of wishes. You have 3 distinct options to choose from. First up, if you're feeling generous or want to share your great tastes with the world, you can go ahead and set the privacy to public. This means anyone and everyone will have access to your list, without any restrictions. It's great if you want to share your list widely for events or just for fun. On the other hand, you might want to keep things a bit more exclusive. In that case, selecting Shared is the way to go. This setting allows only people who have the direct link to view your list, so you still have some control over who gets to see it. It's particularly useful if you're only sharing your list with close friends or family. Finally, if your wish list is for your eyes only, you'll want to select the private option. This keeps your list entirely confidential. Perfect if you're just using it as a personal tracker of items you intend to purchase down the line. Once you've settled on the appropriate level of privacy for your list, make sure to hit Save or Submit to ensure that your changes are applied. This will lock in your new settings, and you can rest easy knowing your list's visibility matches your preference. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily control the privacy of your Amazon wish list, tailoring it to suit your needs. Happy shopping and happy list making!